Welcome back to the by name list referral training videos. This is video 3 in our series of videos. This video is going to focus on creating the by name list referral. The by name list referral is part of a 3-step process that starts on the master program enrollment, aka the MPE. I call it the filing cabinet. Think of the by name list referral as a second chapter within a book. Okay, we must first create the actual book, then the first chapter, before we can create the by name list referral, the third chapter. So to create a new by name list referral from the master program enrollment identified by last name - emergency services, we want to click on the create a benefit case button. The benefit case will become our book. So I click here. And the system says, do you want to proceed? And I say yes. You're about to create a book, the benefit case for our individual. We say yes. Our book is now created. The second step the second step is to create the first chapter, known as the service plan. So here we are. We've got the book. Where do we get the first chapter? Right here, creating the service plan. We don't have to worry about this information. All we've done is created the book. We create the first chapter, known as the service plan. In this step, we're directed to the create the service plan page. Okay, fill out all the required details, click create to proceed further. For the by name list referral, what we are doing here is we are scrolling to the bottom. We are selecting the family member. The system's intuitive. It's going to say, is this the individual you want to create the service plan for? We say, yes, it is. And the service plan type is always, for the by name list referral, is always going to be assistance with housing. Okay, so from the service plan, the first chapter, family member, service plan type, always assistance with housing. Great. Okay, and now from here, so we're in the first chapter. The final component is to create the referral, or the second chapter. So the benefit case was the book, the service plan is the chapter. Let's create the second chapter. We're going to call it a referral. Okay, there's certain components here. So steps. We need a reason for referral. When we are referring to the by name list, well, the reason would be refer to BNL. So the reason for referral is we're referring our client to the by name list. The referral type, if we scroll down, you're going to see status is open. It's going to show the date. There's no target completion date. Don't worry about that. But the referral type, well, it's always going to be housing services. So as you can see, there's a list here. We want to scroll down till we see housing services. We click on housing services. And then the third and final component is the service offering. So I can hit my little finder here, and it's going to say which one of these. And in this one, we are looking for the by name list. There's the by. There it is, right at the top. I missed it. Okay, so once again, reason is refer to the by name list. Referral type is housing services. Service offering is the by name list. We hit submit. At this point, we are redirected back to the service plan page. Okay, so we want to scroll down on this page to the referrals section. Let's scroll down a little bit. Here's referrals. And you will see the referral that we just created by its new naming convention. Okay, so first name, last name, - housing services - referral. We want to click on this link. Okay, give it its time. So we're back in the referral. And now what we're going to do is create the by name list referral. So I'm going to click here. And this is where the magic happens. This is where we're going to capture all the information on the client and why, all the information, the data we need for the by name list referral. We'll do that in our next video. Thank you for watching.